We can prepare engraving in two ways. One of them is the use of contour machining for this purpose, but before we do that, let's define the engraving cutter. From the Machine tab, select Define Tool command, select Flat End, as tool number enter 18, offset number 18, length 50 and diameter 16, and here in special option select taper and taper angle enter 30 and diameter leave 0 and spindle speed set to 6000 and fixed feet 200 and fixed down feet also to 100, and click OK and save this tool as Engrave. OK, now let's select this tool, OK, and select Rough or Finish Operation, vertical selected, OK, and here save rapid level 25, rapid down to 5, material top. This time we need to set as material top the bottom of this pocket. We can use this button and use, for example, this snap and select this point, and material top is -10. Okay, and let's say you want to engrave to a depth of 2 mm, so the final depth will be at level Z-12. Okay, in the Machining Data tab we do not change anything, we do not add any lead in and lead out, so let's click OK and select Alphacam as the geometry for this operation. And accept the selection. Okay, let's select the pocket milling operation and engraving operation, and let's run the solid simulation. Okay, and we have nicely engraved text. Now we will engrave the text 2019.